Who's your daddy now? Frank, you're my daddy. No kidding, man. Nice.
I knew he was in there, dude.
This guy,
I always get him in there.
professional fly fisherman. Right. This guy is awesome, man. I can't wait to see this one. Come on over. Let me know if he's gonna come up, and I'll get it on film. What is that line hanging off there like that? Where? Is that where the weight is, or?
It's not a mountain.
Oh, okay. He's a nice one though.
Might be a rainbow.
Nice fish. Wow. It's
a nice fish.
Way to go, dude. You are the man. Holy God. I'm gonna start fly fishing. I gotta do it. This is it's got to be so much fun.
My other fly, I got another one.
Oh, that's what I see.
I use two flies.
Okay.
I'll show you my setup.
That's what Oh, he's nice though. Get that. Set it on record because I knew I was going to catch fish. I had to set it down and I got the hook set. Ready? Yeah. What a nice fish. Yeah, man.
These are the real trouble. These are real ones. State stocks.
Way to go, dude. Woo, baby.
Wild sucker, dude.
Wow, it's picture perfect. Yep.
Magazine.
That's a male, right? He's starting to get the.
Looks like. Yeah, it could be.
Look at that.
These are magazine fish, dude.
Yep. I want to get with your hand in the water, holding them down to release.
I'd like to take them out.
Yeah.
Huh? Want them out here? Get him. Get him.
It's all right. He's good. Okay. How about that? Beautiful. Alright, I gotta get him back right. There you go. Then you gotta get in a little. Yep. That's a bomb. There you go. Oh, you got him. I knew it. This guy is amazing. If you could walk back this way.
I'll bring him up.
Nice job. This guy is a pro. No kidding, man. I'm not kidding. This is amazing. I'm blown away by this.
King of the river. King of the river.
Totally blown away. Say hi to Roseanne. Roseanne, this is amazing. I wish you could be here to see how happy both of us are doing this. You're what? Nice. Sweet. There's a stick on the end of that rock. Hope he doesn't get up. Yeah. Nice. Oh, is that beautiful or what?
Put my rod right on that tree, right there. Yep, right there. Put the reel, yep. Perfect.
Watch her tangled up there a little bit.
That's all right.
Okay.
I'll get that later.
Look at that, baby. You know what? You kind of have to you have to go here because. Wow.
Huh?
Yep. Bomber. Ooh, boy. Stuck in it. Woo. Can't get him
Fin,
all
look
in
at her top of his fin's been hit with something. Nice. Get it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to give him a drink. Okay?
Yep.
I'm looking at him.
Wow. Whoa. think that's bigger than the one I caught 2 days ago.
Yeah. This is
upward. That is perfect fish. Look at them. Look at the beautiful spots. The tail, all the fins are perfect. Look at that top fin too. Beautiful.
getting some good footage, huh?
Yeah. Right there. That is awesome.
All right. This is what it's all about, right here. This is what you do.
That's what you do. You release them, right? And don't take them out of the water.
Right.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna let him go.
Okay. Good.
There you go. See him? He wants to go.
Yeah.
Take care, buddy. See you next time.
For serious. Out of all the good guys I fished with and taught me how to fish, this is something else. And just want to get some nice video of this fish. Wow, beautiful. There's a stick right there. Yeah, right where you're splashing.
I see.
Yeah. Wow, bigger than the last one.
Huh?
Enough. Wow, is he beautiful? Holy crap. Every one of these fish has been perfect. Like, it's like a mounted fish. It's all catch and release. All catch and release. That's nice.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Yeah, baby.
Holes. Oh,
Nice. One hand's right in the way. Okay. Wow. Frank, look up. Okay. Hold them just like that when you put them in the water.
all right, ready?
Yeah. Towards me. A little bit. Okay. Yes.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Yep, yep. Look at this. Wow.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yep. One of the best fighters. Got two big bite marks on the top of them. I don't know what that's from. Got him right out. Nice. Look at that.